In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a playlist on Spotify. Open your Spotify, right? Click on your library. If you love to make a playlist, just click on this plus icon, right? You're going to see playlist, collaborative playlist, right? You're going to select from any of them, right? So if you build a playlist, you're going to build a playlist with your favorite songs and episodes, right? But if you make a collaborative playlist, you're going to invite your friends, right? So you can select anyone you want to select from your choice. If you click on this, you're going to create your personal own. If you click on this, you're going to be creating with your friends, right? So you're going to invite them on board. So let me say if I want to create a playlist for myself, I'll click on this, right? Just come on here, enter the name. You can type in glory to God, right? Click on the create. So I've created this playlist, right? I'm going to click on this edit. You can change the playlist profile picture. Just click on this, right? Click on this change. You're going to be given the option to change it, right? Then you can click on this as well. You can add the description to this playlist, right? If you want, you can click on this. If you want to share the playlist to your friends, right? You can click on the copy link to share it. Click on this. You're going to see some other options right here. You can make it private. You can delete the playlist. You can invite collaborators, right? And a whole lot of them. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching through. I hope you will find this video helpful. I'll see you all in the very next video.